So we're here today to make creamy soft serve in our Couture Slushie and soft serve machine. We've tried lots and lots of recipes. This is the easiest one that we've come up with. Milk, thickened cream, sugar, and an egg. So 4 ingredients, 1 soft serve slushie machine, and you've got soft serve at home. Tastes like Macca's, truly. It's actually delicious. Okay, so that's 1 egg yolk. That's 111 grams of sugar. Seems extremely precise, but we need to be with this. We need to be right on our weights. 270 mils of thickened cream. The cream needs to be 35% fat as a minimum. Cream that's under that won't give you the consistency you're looking for. It won't give you that thick, rich consistency. It'll be a little bit thinner. So we need 270 grams here. And milk. The milk is probably the most key ingredient here that we need to make sure we get right. The milk works best if you have a milk that has a 4.5% fat, which is a full cream milk. So 260 grams of milk. And that's that. So when it comes to mixing the mix, electric beater, don't try and do this by hand, it will take far too long. The more powerful your electric beater, the better. Essentially what we need to do here is we need to add air into the mix, and we start to need to whip this mix together so it all combines, but it starts to go light and fluffy. So you're not mixing it into a whipped cream, but you're certainly getting it thicker than its current state. And then we mix on high. We're suggesting a minimum of 10 minutes, but check the consistency as you're going. Once you start to see ripples in the top that are holding, then you're just about good to go. It's holding the shape of the cream. The wrinkles in the cream are starting to hold on top. We're just about done. That's pretty much ready to go. So we beat it until it goes thick, and until it's no longer splashing, it's just velvety forming over itself. And then we're ready to put it in the machine. Close the lid. Then you select on, and then the soft ice cream preset. And the machine will automatically begin. And now patience is the key. Okay, so it's been about 40-45 minutes and our ice cream's ready. Now we get a lot of questions about when is the ice cream ready. The easiest way to tell is the barrel itself is clean. Everything has been scrubbed off the barrel. Everything has moved to the front of the machine and the mix has grown, and the mix is now touching the top of the machine as well as the front of the machine. Literally pull the handle and start dispensing the ice cream. There it is, ice cream at home with 4 ingredients. But that is like thick. Like, look at that. And for something made at home, it's pretty incredible. I don't taste it, it looks great. Tastes like Macca's, literally. It's actually delicious. That is the perfect consistency. It is literally like a Macca's soft serve. That's actually killer. It's so good. The mix is perfect.